Namaskara Nimmellarigu. So, friends, we are back with another auto news episode, that is episode 4. Last week I missed the episode because I had some other work also. So, without any delay, let's just proceed with our next set of news. So, for the first and foremost news, we have the Bentley Bentayga facelift image surface. So, you can see it on the screen right about now that the Bentley has launched its facelift of the Bentayga. So, the Bentayga is one of the most expensive cars that is done by the Bentley, and it's an SUV. So, this car cannot be afforded by every single person here in India. Getting the car itself is a very big task because this car consists of a small watch, which and the watch itself costs you a crore. So that's a special feature of this car. It's like the Rolls Royce. So for the next news, we have production spec Volkswagen ID.4 electric SUV images leaked. So you can see that also on the screen right now. So this is the Volkswagen ID.4 electric. So probably by 2025 or 2030 we'll get a new set of electric vehicles in the market. So electric vehicles are like, you can go around 300 kilometers I guess with a single charge. So probably the battery capacity will be big, and it's a very good thing or an investment because even in countries like well developed countries like US, we have electric vehicles like the Tesla itself, and now we'll get it in India, and many companies are trying to do it like that. But I guess it will be little costly and expensive because these cars require a very big battery respectively. So for the next news, we have sponsored feature skipping two-wheeler insurance could cost your savings. So I didn't get this news actually, but according to the news, it's given that getting your two-wheeler insured protects you from financial losses in case of emergencies like accident, natural calamities, riots and theft. So strange, but okay. And the next news, Renault Capture discontinued in India. So this is a bit of a bad news because the Capture was not there in India for more than 3 years max, I feel. So that's a very bad news. The people who have already bought this vehicle may face a lot of issues. So truly bad. Next we have Jeep expands pre-owned car business in India. So that is another set. So Jeep company recently has made a lot of contribution here in India, and the Jeep Compass is one of the most sold vehicles here in the Indian market. Many of the people go for this vehicle because they like the features, they like the way the vehicle is. So that is a plus point here. Then we have another news, that is next generation Kia Carnival teaser ahead of the world. So that is another news that we have here. So the Kia Carnival, already we all know that it is a bit expensive and a luxury car which consists of nearly 8 seats with luxury and comfort. People can enjoy the vehicle very nicely, and you can see it on the display right over here that the vehicle is very beautiful. I like the body build up, and it is best for celebrity statuses. So a very good vehicle according to me. Then we have the next news, that is BS6 Mahindra Supro ambulance launched at rupees 6.94 lakh. So you must look at this pic over here. It looks so cute and so good. The Supro as an ambulance, already it acts as a tempo for small carrying purposes. There are many other tempos of other companies, like the Suzuki company itself has its own tempo named the Carry. So here it's another one. So it's good for them. Initial investment will help a lot of people in getting vehicles like this. But and the best part is these ambulances may be a bit cheaper also comparatively. So next news is new Citroen C4 hatchback revealed. So this Citroen is a company, I don't think it has come to India yet, but it is another good company with a different symbol. You can see the car, so it's there in other countries also. And recently, as we know that many of the Chinese car companies may not come up or show up here in India because of recent problems with India, China in the border, and a lot of other news I have here, new fresh news. So Mahindra Thar confirms it has an automatic option for its next generation Thar. So that is a really good news for us all in case we are gonna go for the Thar. And I have also heard that this Thar gives you an option of like 2-seater or 4-seater, so that is another good part in this vehicle. So I like that news about this a lot, because not all the cars will come like that in these days in the market. So it's good that Thar has done something like that. BS6 Honda Civic bookings are open, so that is a good news. And another thing is I like the model of the Civic. So Civic is a completely superb car to just look at, and Honda company has done a lot of work in the recent days. So I like the way the car is shaped, and also it's a good thing that apart from petrol you get the diesel option, and probably in the upcoming future we will be having more and more vehicles which may be electric, solar power, battery and all the other stuff. So I don't think that it is wise to buy a vehicle after 2022 or 2023 which is a petrol or a diesel variant, because slowly the production of those vehicles will end. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment my videos, and please stay tuned to get more and more videos. Until next time, the Coastal Vlogger is signing off.